Yo, what is going on, growmies? Hope y'all are doing well, growing well. Now, growmies, today we have a bit of a different video. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing and leaving our first impressions on the Spider Farmer Supplemental LEDs. In the current market, it seems like right now, tons of companies are coming out with their own versions of supplemental LEDs, with everyone trying to figure out how to maximize this plant. And well, today we have 3 different LEDs to look at, with 3 distinct light spectrums. The first LED that we are unboxing is, in my opinion, the coolest looking one, and it's called the GlowR40. Unboxing this light, at the top it is a white color with very vibrant orange branding. The light also has a protective plastic cover, which mainly functions to help displace the light. Plugging the lights in, they are extremely red and can be used during all stages of growth. Moving on to our next light, let's check out the LEDs from the UV30 bars. Opening up these UV30s, these ultraviolet supplemental LEDs are extremely bright. It says in the manual, for only a maximum power time of only 1.5 hours to 2 hours per day in about 5-minute increments. And our last LEDs that we're checking out is the IR60s. These far red LEDs are recommended to be used for all stages except germination. Looking at the color, when the LEDs are on, they are definitely red. Checking out the build of each LED bar, they are all extremely high quality and feel really nice in hand. The IR60 and UV30 definitely feel extra solid with the metal housing. The GlowR40 is also built pretty strong and feels like great quality plastic material. Overall, just looking at the lights together, they look really amazing and well done. I have never used these supplemental lights before, but am definitely excited to test them out throughout my Chop Cookie Grow Along with HGZ TV. Now, growmies, this video was just unboxing the LEDs and giving a first impression. As the grow goes on, I'll definitely have a lot more to say about the lights, but again, this was just a first look and setup. Let me know if you guys are interested in trying out supplemental LEDs. Do you guys think it's worth it to have these different light spectrums inside the tent? Do you want to try supplemental lights? Leave a comment and let me know. Also, let me know if you have any tips on your successes with supplemental lighting. As always, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and comment. If you haven't seen my other grow/mug reports, check them out. Keep it up out there, growmies, and stay motivated in this beautiful medicinal hobby. #growmiegang.